Okay, we stopped at number 11 in the other video. We're going to start at number 12. Number 12 says, calculate the area of the following shape. Don't look at my drawing. What figure is this? Look on your paper because mine is looking kind of crazy. What is that figure called? A who? A rhombus? Close. What other figures did we study?
Square, quadrilateral.
The square and who?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral means it has four sides. Okay, we studied a rectangle. What else? What?
Polygon.
Well, all of them are polygons. So what is this one? This is one of, well, on the drawing, on the worksheet, it's one of the most recognized. Who? It is a quadrilateral, it has four sides. What type of quadrilateral is it? It's a parallelogram. Write that down. And you need to know that because you have to know which formula to use to find the area. I gave y'all a foldable or something with that on there. I did, with all the areas. You got yours? Okay, yeah, pull it out. And find the formula of a parallelogram for the area of a parallelogram. Okay, so the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So my base is 19 inches. And my height is 5 inches. And this is 95 inches squared. How did I do that in my head that fast? By the distributive property. 19 is 20 minus 1. 20 times 5 is 100. Minus 1 times 5 is a minus 5. 100 minus 5 is 95. Inches squared. Area is always in terms of something squared. Now I know you know what kind of shape number 13 is. Triangle, Base times height divided by 2. Make sure you divide it by 2 for a triangle. So my base is 13 centimeters. My height is 4 centimeters. I divide that by 2. So my area is 26 centimeters squared. Simplify before you multiply. 2 goes in the 4 2 times. 13 times 2 is 26. Or you can do 13 times 4 and then divide by 2 on your calculator. Okay, number 14 says, it's on the back side, there are 15 girls in a class of 35 students. What is, yes? You don't? Do you have some on the back of yours? Do you have anything in the back of your sheet? Okay. I was hoping I didn't give those out. For some reason, some of them didn't print the second side. Okay. Okay, so 15 girls in a class of 35 students. So what is the ratio of girls to boys in simplest form? And I'm going to write it as a fraction because it's easier to simplify. Well, nah. Let me do it. Number 14. Let me go ahead and keep it like this. Girls to boys. Okay? So, let me read it again. There are 15 girls in a class of 35 students. What is the ratio in simplest form of girls to boys? So how many girls do we have in the class? 15. How many boys do we have in the class? Mm-mm. Read that again. No, there's 35 students. You have to find out how many boys are in the class. So how will we do that? What will we divide? You do what?
Minus.
We would subtract, right? So 35 total students minus the 15 girls would give me 20 boys. So that one had a little trick in there. And then we need to simplify it, just like we would a fraction. So I'm going to use GCF method. 5 goes into 15 3 times, 5 goes into 24 times. That's my simplified ratio. So my ratio of girls to boys is 3 to 4. Now 15 is a unit rate problem. You want to write unit rate on your paper. Got number 15. So it says if you can type 408 words in 4 minutes, how many words do you type each minute? So we want words per minute. So how do we find that? I kind of gave it to you right here. Divide. So 408 words divided by 4 minutes. I think we did this in the last class. We got 102 words per minute. Sometimes you'll see it written like this, 102 WPM. Jobs that require a lot of data input. Well, there used to be jobs that require typing, and they would ask for so many words per minute. Like most call center jobs require like 45, 50 words. That's not too fast. Okay. Number 16, that's a unit rate problem. You want to write unit rate by that one too. You can buy 10 ounces of syrup for $3.99 or 14 ounces for $4.29. Which is the better buy? So what you're going to do is to calculate the unit rate per ounce. So $3.99 for 10 ounces. OZ is the abbreviation for ounce. Or $4.29 for 14 ounces. If you have a calculator, go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is going to be 0.399, which we can round up to 40 cents. Okay, and this is how you write cents in dollars format, or you can write 40 cents. Okay, 429 divided by 14 is 0.306, so I can round this up to 0.31. So this is 31 cents per ounce, and this is 40 cents per ounce. So which one is the better buy? I hope you say the 31 cents. Yeah, the 31 cents per ounce is the best buy. Okay, number 17, let me put the table up here. So this is cars, minutes. Okay, so Asha, I'm not going that much time. Asha found that 6 cars passed her house in 5 minutes. Using this rate, she made a partially complete ratio table to show the relationship between time and number of cars. Complete the table. Okay, so you got a blank right here. So what do you have to figure out? You have a 20 right here. So you have to figure out 5 times what gives me 20? 5 times 4. So then I do 6 times 4, which is 24. Or you see 5, 10, 15, 20. You see here we're adding 6 each time. You can do that way. This one, you would do 6 times 5 gives me 30. So 5 times 5 gives me 25. So those are my 2 answers. All right, so we're going to stop right there because the video is getting too long, and we will pick this up tomorrow and finish up.